A mother in Mumbai refilled her LPG cylinder yesterday. It cost ours 1,950. Last month, it was ours 980. She does not know the Strait of Hormuz exists, but her kitchen does.
Look, this is actually great. Besant is playing 4D chess. Pressure Iran, they fold oil drops. We just need to wait a few weeks.
Your LPG cylinder went from ours 980 to ours 1,950 in 30 days. That is not chess. That is your breakfast budget disappearing.
Remember when I said oil would stabilize after the Yemen situation? This is similar energy.
You said that on February 14th, 2026. Oil was $78 then. It is $102 now. Your predictions cost people money.
If your kitchen budget is feeling this too, share this with someone who deserves to know why.